Let me be very honest with you. If your revenue still depends on how much you work, you don't own a business. You built yourself a high-pressure job. And the dangerous part is, it looks successful from the outside, but structurally, you already capped your income. You already capped your freedom. And if nothing changes, you'll still be here 3 years from now. Because the real issue is this. It's not that you're not working hard enough. It's not that you're not capable. It's that the way you're making money right now was not designed to scale. So the harder you try, you're just pushing a limited system. And if you don't see that, nothing really changes. Let me show you the 3 proven steps to break out of this trap, down from my experience working with hundreds of women business owners. By the way, if we haven't met before, hi, I'm Jenny. I'm an ex-director at strategy consulting called EY-Parthenon, where I led multi-million-dollar projects across the globe. And now I own businesses in the women's wellness space, and I'm the founder and CEO of Quotient.co, where I help women owners scale with strategy and leverage to build their high-value compounding life. But I didn't start there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click a good button and comment down below. I remember when I first entered strategy consulting, honestly, I wasn't good. My job was to convince clients with our solutions to close deals, and I struggled. There was a period where I was hitting like 1/3 of my revenue targets. And I remember sitting in meetings knowing I had the answer, but no one was really listening. Watching deals go to competitors who weren't better, but just better positioned. And that's when it clicked. This isn't about effort anymore. It's not about how hard you work. It's about how you're positioned. Because if you're solving nice-to-have problems that people don't eagerly pay to fix, you will always work harder to make less. That's the trap. So Peter Drucker once said, there is nothing more useless than doing efficiently what shouldn't be done at all. Meaning, if you're solving the wrong problem, being good at it doesn't help you scale. So step number 1, fix your positioning. Are you solving the problem people truly value? Are you positioned as a commodity or a category of one? Because revenue doesn't scale with effort, it scales with perceived value. And once I understood that, I stopped doing more and started structuring better. At a high level, people don't pay for effort. They pay for decision. They pay for clarity. They pay for outcomes that move money. As Warren Buffett put it, price is what you pay, value is what you get. That's when everything changed. Bigger deals, better solutions, because I stopped selling work and started selling impact. So step number 2, fix how you monetize your value. Are you charging for time or transformation? Are your offers scalable or just more work? Because if your model depends on you doing more, you've already capped your growth. Then came the biggest shift. I stopped relying on personal efforts and started building systems, leveraging teams, positioning, and authority so that the business could attract the right clients without me having to push harder every time. So here's the step number 3. Build leverage into your system. Can your revenue grow without your time increasing? Are you building something that compounds over time? Because real growth doesn't come from doing more, it comes from designing better systems. And this is exactly where most women get stuck. Not because they're not capable, but because they've outgrown their current model. That's why I created Value Academy. This program is for women who already have momentum but know they're under-monetizing it. If you know your current way of operating is no longer enough, you don't need more information. You need a different system. You can check out the details from the link below and apply for a discovery call with me. My team will review every application, and I hope to see you on the call. Have a great one.